Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to write or rotate text vertically in Google Docs. Since there is no native button for vertical text, we will use a very simple workaround. Open your Google Doc and go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. Hover over Drawing, then select New. A drawing window will appear. Click the text box icon at the top of this window, then click and drag on the canvas to draw your box. Type the text you want to make vertical. While you are here, you can format your text. Use the top toolbar to change the font, adjust the text size, center the alignment, or change the color. Once your text looks exactly how you want it, click anywhere outside the text box to deselect the text itself. Then click on the text box one more time. You will notice a small circular handle at the top of the box. Click and drag this handle to rotate your text completely vertical. When you are satisfied with the rotation, click the Save and Close button in the top right corner. Your vertical text is now inserted into your document. To move it exactly where you want it, click the text image once and select the Wrap Text option from the small menu that appears below it. You can now drag the text anywhere on the page. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching ClearTask. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more direct tutorials.